Walmart. Paris Hilton has a kitchen line. Did y'all know that? Oh my God, that pink. Look at this mini fridge. Look at this. Paris Hilton, y'all. This is in Walmart. Look at this stuff, man. Ain't that cute? She got a little tumbler. Thing is pretty. Look at this. This is the Paris Hilton line in the Walmart. Look at this. Look at this. That's hot. Ain't that cute? Cake pan. I'm about to say oodle noodle container. A mini casserole dish. Should I be fixing my oodle noodles in that? Everything is that's hot. Okay, that's hot. Everything. She got some pots. Ooh, pink. Ooh, ain't that pretty? Then she got a whole set down here with the lids. Look at that knife set. Oh my goodness. How much different prices? $79, $49, $19.97 for that waffle maker. This fridge is $48, $47. Cake pan, $24. Wow. Go ahead, Paris Hilton. Get into the family generated stores. You know what I'm saying? Like, wow. That's what's up, Paris. I ain't mad at your girlfriend.